We just bought this house for £250,000. In 6 months, we expect the value to be $600,000, which is an increase of $350,000. In this video, I would like to show you why we bought this property and why we think that in 6 months it's gonna be worth $600,000. I am Greta, and behind camera is my husband Daniil, and together we are the Vnoutchkovs. We just bought this property, and this year our goal is to buy 2 more properties similar in size to this one, renovate them, rent them out, and make a passive income. And we would like to take you on the journey with us. Now, let me show you the property. Are you ready for this? Welcome to our new purchase. As you can see, the property is in a very bad condition from the inside, but we don't really mind. The most important, the walls are still standing. We're gonna strip back to brick anyways. We're gonna completely renovate it. Everything is gonna be brand new, electricity, plumbing, so we're going back to brick. The property is really big, it's 160 square meters. We chose to buy this property because it's very close to city center. It's just 10 minutes away. As well, a few streets down, they're building a large hospital, which we believe gonna increase the value of the property over time. So the property right now is 4 bedrooms, 2 large living room property. This is the first living room. This will be the first bedroom. We're gonna build an ensuite here. We're gonna remove all the chimney breasts in every single room to make the most out of the room, to make bigger space. So this one will be the first one. Let me take you to the second one. So this is a very similar in size. It's gonna be the second bedroom, has a beautiful large bay window. We're gonna remove the chimney breast again. It's gonna be another ensuite here. So this is gonna be another great size bedroom. Let me take you now to what is currently a dining room. We gonna remove the wall here, and that's where we're gonna have our kitchen. So we're gonna completely remove this wall and connect the spaces together because it has quite small kitchen right now. So we're just gonna make this whole room in a big kitchen, little living room here with the sofa, with the TV. We're gonna remove this wall because we still have a bit of a space here. It's gonna have a large garden for the bikes and bins. So yeah, this is gonna be one big, beautiful, large area for the people to share. So they're gonna have a living room, they're gonna have a big kitchen. Yeah, so that's about downstairs. Let me take you upstairs. Obviously, the previous owner left quite a bit of cleanup for us to do with the furniture. This property has this beautiful Victorian staircase that we really like, and we can't wait to restore them. So let me show you the first bedroom. Here is gonna be the third bedroom. It's a bit smaller, but it's still a very nice size. We're gonna open this wall here and create ensuite from the current bathroom. And we have 1 bathroom here and we have toilet. So we're gonna connect them and create 2 ensuites. Well, one is gonna be ensuite, one is gonna be off suite for the smaller bedroom. Then we have 2 bedrooms here. There is the reflection of a downstairs. This is gonna be another beautiful size room. We're gonna do exactly same thing. We're gonna remove the chimney breasts. We're gonna create ensuite here. So it's gonna be beautiful big bedroom for someone. And then we have another one here as well, very decent size. Same thing, chimney breasts out, big bay windows. Is gonna be beautiful bedroom. And then we have another one, smaller. This is the smallest bedroom in the property, but we're gonna actually move this wall a bit and we're gonna take the space from the previous bedroom so we can allow a bit more space to this bedroom. And of course, we're gonna move this wall here and we're gonna try to create a bit more space for that bedroom as well, whatever it's gonna be, a wardrobe, or obviously every extra centimeter counts. As you can see by this little hatch in the ceiling, we have a loft in this property. Obviously we don't have an access to it right now, but we're gonna be ripping off the ceiling, installing a new staircase, and creating 3 additional bedrooms in the loft, which is amazing because we can make the most out of this property and create more space to it. We bought this property for £250,000. Similar properties in this area cost anywhere between $300,000 to $400,000, and our builders quoted us $160,000 for all the renovation, including the loft conversion. Work's gonna take between 4 to 6 months. The commercial valuation is completely different from bricks and mortar valuation, but we're not gonna go into detail on the commercial valuation because it's a topic on its own. But because we're gonna be converting this property to a 9-bedroom HMO, this will allow us to get the commercial valuation on this property. There are already a few 9-bedroom HMOs in the street, and they've been valued for $600,000 each. We are quite confident we can hit that number, especially because we're gonna be delivering a high-end HMO. That's why we bought this property, and that's why it's gonna be worth $600,000. If you actually wanna find out how we bought this property that was not even for sale, you should check out this video. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching it.